Let me introduce you to another one of our AI assistants today. Every 24 hours, our AI assistants automatically sweep across your entire market, capturing things like new product launches, new promotions, financial results, company news, and leadership changes. Each alert is then summarized, categorized, and stored in your unique knowledge base. The AI assistants then access this knowledge base to answer your questions and generate content like reports and presentations. Let's try our product innovation assistant today. Here's our product innovation assistant. Let's speak to and understand a little bit more about my competitors' product innovation over the last year. Here, I want to speak to the AI assistants and understand a little bit more about my competitors' product innovation efforts over the last 6 months. Interesting, it's telling me about all my different competitors and what they've been up to over the past few months. FEB Banking released a gold product. I want to know more about that. Take the new gold product and create a similar strategy we can launch. Okay, this looks really interesting. It's telling me features, strategies, and everything I could run. So I want to take this to the team now. So let's ask the assistants to put together a presentation that can actually present this to the team and understand their thoughts around this. Okay, this looks useful. I know exactly what I'm going to put in my presentation to take this to the team. Oh, I actually need this in Arabic. Let's get this translated. This looks useful. WMC.Ai allows you to effortlessly research and explore your market and create new content, saving you and your team days of manual effort. Give it a try today.